Turn Your Contacts into Contracts workshop being held on June 24th. These are secrets of networking pros who get warm referrals, they never cold call, and they can reach anybody. If you want to go from bumbling wallflower to networking ninja, you can, even if you're an introvert. You can go from shy, bewildered and scared to sell yourself, to walking confidently into a room, knowing exactly what to say, to generate all the warm referrals that you want and more, from other trusted professionals that you have great relationships with. So why should you be at this workshop? Listen, you need to get out there. You need to work the room and be seen. Business owners need to be meeting people face to face so you can educate them on what you do and the type of clients that they can introduce you to. Remember, it's not what you know, it's who you know and who knows you. If you want to make money, you need to make contact. If you're not building a support network of introducers, then you're working too hard. Word of mouth referral is the best form of marketing. You know that. So why leave it to chance and pick up the odd referral here and there when you could have a sales force working for you, unpaid, 7 days a week, starting this week. Now, this is a one-day seminar for business owners, entrepreneurs and sales professionals that want to make more connections and provide value to the world. This course is for one-man or one-woman bands, new startups who want more clients and more money, as well as entrepreneurs and existing business owners who just want more clients of a higher caliber. If you're a professional person and you want to network effectively, but find that you're often overlooked at networking events, this is for you. If you're an ambitious entrepreneur with big goals, this is for you. Now, who this is not for? If you're already fully comfortable meeting people, eliciting all the information you need, and you already got a lot of value out of conventional networking events anyway, this course might not have any value for you. But what the heck are we talking about here anyway? Business networking. It's an effective, low-cost marketing method for developing sales opportunities and developing your contacts based on warm referrals and endorsed introductions. That's either face-to-face at meetings and gatherings or by other contact methods such as on the phone, by email, and increasingly social and business networking websites like LinkedIn and Facebook. So in this one-day money-making training, I've broken down into baby steps and a complete networking system, each step building on the last one, so you're stacking new skills. You'll get cheat sheets and everything's explained in layman's terms with minimum jargon. So here are the 8 steps. The first one is, who is your dream client? This is about finding your golden tickets, identifying your dream clients so other people can learn how to bring them to you. You're going to be mining for gold, teaching people how to find your ideal customer. And LinkedIn is a great way to do that. It's the lightning fast shortcut to finding almost anybody in minutes. The second point that I'm going to share with you are the 17 ways to make money from networking. I'm going to explain a complete treasure map so you always know where you are and what to do next. Even if you're an introvert, there's a section called Grow Your Network, Grow Yourself, which is the introvert survival guide for people who hate networking. Network and Grow Rich is going to show you how to add between £8,000 and £35,000 to your bottom line in the next 12 months. Would that be worth coming in a one-day workshop for? Module 3 is to stop selling, start connecting. So getting ready to mine for gold, finding a room so you can work the room. There are meetings everywhere, and even if you can't find one, we're going to show you how to start your own group in our Networking Academy section. And we're also going to introduce you to the Trustometer, or the Trustometer, which is a way of measuring your relationship based on knowing, liking and trusting. Really important if you want people to introduce their contacts to you. The fourth thing we're going to talk about is being able to talk to anyone. This answers the question of what to say and how to say it. We're going to cover your golden keys, which are 10 key questions that start quality conversations, whether that's in a queue in the shopping centre, whether it's in the car park, or whether it's at a networking event. We're going to cover the Midas method, the 5 areas you need to share with each other to build that trust. And we're going to give you the networking toolkit, which is kind of like a press kit for networkers. It's everything you need on about 4 pieces of paper. The fifth thing we're going to teach you is how to rock your talk with a perfect pitch. Most networking events give you a chance to shine, and they give you 60 seconds to stand up and, introduce people to the kind of referrals you're looking for and what you do for a living. So we're going to show you what to say. We're going to give you fill in the blank templates to make it really, really easy for you. Step 6 is inevitable referrals to building strategic partnerships. There are 6 golden geese that you can form strategic alliances with that everybody benefits, so it's a win-win-win. And those give you connections that count. The 7th step is how to find referrals for those referral partners. It's all about giving to get. You're helping people first. We're going to show you there are 6,000 referral opportunities open to you right now. You're surrounded by potential business. I'm going to show you how to start switching your radar on to find that, and give you the drill down questions so you know how to uncover potential opportunities. Step 8 is called the fortunes and the follow-up. This is all about a referral tracking system so that you have a return on your investment. Okay, so it's all about following people up and measuring your success so that you know that this networking system is actually dripping gold towards you, and you're just getting referral after referral after referral as a result of your networking efforts. This workshop is going to be held in Trident House in Paisley on Sunday the 24th of June from 11 AM till 6 PM. Now, parking is free and lunch and refreshments are included. We've also got 3 bonuses lined up for you. First of all, you're going to get part of a private Facebook group, which has been set up just for members of this course. If you head over to Facebook and you ask to join the Turn Your Contacts into Contacts group and you've attended the live training, then we'll get you in. You can share why you joined it and you start getting support from us and your fellow networkers, and you're going to be doing some networking there. Secondly, we're going to cover some body language voodoo. As an NLP trainer, I'm going to teach you some presentation skill tricks to use your physiology to hypnotize the audience, make more impact, and be remembered. And thirdly, we're going to give you a superstar profile on LinkedIn. We're going to redo your LinkedIn profile and turn you into a celebrity in your field so you get more leads, more sales, and take more time off. And that will be done for you, if you want it to. Now, the investment for all this is £97 per business. If you're a member of the Club 555 networking organisation, it will be discounted to £55. But just think about this. How much is one good contract worth to you? How much is an average client sale? Imagine if, as a result of this course, you picked up 3 decent contracts. How much would you make? Now, we've tracked and measured this approach, and we know that it should add a minimum of £8,000 to your bottom line in the next 12 months. You can book your tickets on Eventbrite, or you can contact Jonathan on 0141 639 7099, or you can email admin@instantedge.co.uk. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, but this won't work for me. Listen, this works for introverts as it was built by introverts. I'm a very private person and I'm an introvert by nature, but I've learned how to network effectively. And if you're not, you're bleeding money. Every conversation is a golden opportunity to mine for gold, if you know exactly what to say, or you have a cheat sheet by your phone. Now, I don't know about you, but I've invested thousands back into my business over the years. I've attended the seminars, I've listened to the CDs, I've been trained by the best organisations, and I've studied all the online courses. Most of them are all hype and hope. Or they leave you disappointed because all you got was armchair theory and some clever one-liners. This is different. These are methods, techniques, and the thinking that I use every day to build my business and earn a living. Just imagine what would happen if 70% of your business came through word of mouth. What marketing activities like cold calling and leafleting could you stop doing and let this work for you instead, working smarter, not harder? Just suppose you became the go-to person in your industry, and all it takes is 1 day's training. I hope you join me on Sunday the 24th of June, and I'll see you on the other side.